Good Monday evening, Southeast Texas. Looks like about a 30 to 40% coverage coming up tomorrow. Pretty typical for this time of year. However, the pattern is changing, and it looks like Wednesday through Saturday, pretty decent chance of rain. Some wet weather moving in Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and probably Saturday. That will knock afternoon high temperatures down. Then as we head towards Sunday and early next week, rain chances go back to near normal across Southeast Texas. Otherwise, plentiful moisture over our area. That does not change. In the tropics, though, we are watching Invest 97L in the far eastern Atlantic, just coming off the coast of Africa, right there south of the Cabo Verde Islands. Hurricane Center giving this a 40% probability of development. Been showing dust for weeks, but that dust has moved further off towards the north, and so that lower layer, that latitude, I should say, has moistened up, sustaining tropical development possible. Modeling takes us on off towards the west and northwest towards the early and middle part of next week, if it survives. It may not survive the trip. Regardless, I like this pattern. Got a trough coming off the east coast. That probably would preclude anything from developing or moving into the Gulf of Mexico the way it looks right now if this survives and goes into the southwestern Atlantic. So I think we're fine with that. Otherwise, tonight, activity winding down over the next hour or two with the loss of daytime heating. Could see some nocturnal showers or thunderstorms in the morning along the coastline, maybe into Beaumont, Mid-County, and probably over towards Orange. And then we'll heat things up, destabilize the atmosphere, give it about a 30% coverage in the triangle, about a 30 to 40% coverage in the lakes area, and go with highs in the low to mid 90s. Now, weak high pressure is going to move away from our area. Look at this disturbance moving down into our area as we head towards Wednesday and Thursday. That is some good news. That's if you need rainfall. On the Gulf of Mexico, slightly choppy seas around 2 feet. Tomorrow we'll see a southeast wind at 10 knots, water temperature 87. High tides at Sabine Pass at 3:52 a.m. and 10:56 a.m. Our forecast tonight, showers for the next hour or two as I record this at 5:34 p.m. We expect most of the activity to be gone by about 7 p.m. Now, we could see a 10 to 20% coverage of redevelopment prior to sunrise along the coastline in the morning closer to the triangle. Lows in the low to mid 70s expected. I'll give it a 30 to 40% coverage tomorrow. Otherwise, partly cloudy, hot and humid. Heat indices above the triple digits. And your extended forecast showing that Wednesday and Thursday and Friday will be our wettest days over the next 10 days. Maybe a good 50% coverage on Saturday. That'll knock highs down to the mid to upper 80s and lower 90s. And of course, if you get one of those heavier showers, that could knock temperatures down into the 70s as we have seen here of late. Near normal rain chances Sunday and into Monday, highs low to mid 90s. Looks hotter and drier as we head towards the middle of next week. Then the big question is what happens next Thursday. Could see a front try or attempt to move into our area. We've gone just a 30% coverage, but modeling a lot wetter. So keep your fingers crossed for that rainfall. Download our app. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And as always, there's more weather at 12newsnow.com.